The problem is construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle similar to it, whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. From this video, I would like to explain this construction problem easily and briefly. Hi, this is Madhubabu. First one is construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Construction of triangles we have learned in 7th class. Among this, all the three sides, the greatest side is 6 centimeters. Now it is better to take 6 centimeters as base, 0 at 6. Keep 2 points. Take the points as B, C. Next, we have to construct 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. So, with compass, take 4 centimeters radius and take B as center, 4 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. Next, to construct 5 centimeters, take 5 centimeters radius with compass, take C as center, 5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. So they intersect at A. Now you join AB and AC. Next, we have to construct a similar triangle of triangle ABC. Given triangle, the given fraction is 2 by 3. In this 2 by 3, the denominator is 3. So, according to the problem, the given triangle has 3 parts. Now we have to construct 2 parts of this triangle. That will be similar triangle of triangle ABC. To construct a similar triangle, draw a ray BX such that it should make an acute angle with side BC. Draw a ray BX. It should make an acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. So, here in this fraction, greater value is 3. In this fraction, greater value is 3. So, locate 3 points on BX. Take equal arcs on BX from B. Take some radius with compass. Here, no need to measure the radius. Take little bit like this and draw 3 arcs on BX ray like this from B. 1, 2, 3. So the intersecting points of the arcs and BX ray take as B1 B2 B3. So this point is B1 B2 B3. In the fraction, the denominator is 3. So given triangle has 3 parts. That's why you join B3C. B3C. We have to construct 2 parts of the given triangle. So from B2, to construct 2 parts of the triangle, from B2 draw a parallel line to B3C. How can we, without using protractor, we can construct parallel line? How? From B3, take some radius. With this radius, no need to measure it. Take like this, and with some radius, draw an arc. It cuts the BX ray and B3C side also. With the same measurement from B2, draw an arc and measure the angle between these two sides with compass like this. And the intersecting point of this arc and BX ray, keep compass point and draw an arc. It cuts the previous arc at here. Now from B2, through this intersecting point, you draw a line. So this is the parallel line to B3C. So the parallel line intersects BC at, take as C dash. Now again continue. Next we have to draw a another parallel line to AC from C dash. So continue this process same. Take some radius and draw an arc at C. With the same measurement, draw another arc at C dash also. Next, measure the angle between these two sides at C and keep compass point where the intersecting point of BC and this arc. Draw an arc. Now from C dash, through this intersecting point, draw a line. It intersects AB at A dash. Now ABC has 3 parts and A dash B C dash triangle has 2 parts. So triangle A dash B C dash is the required similar triangle of triangle ABC. Similar triangle of triangle ABC. Next, steps of construction. First point, construct a triangle ABC by this given measurements. Second step, draw a ray BX making an acute angle with BC, with the side BC. Next, locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 on a ray BX such that BB1 is equals to B1 B2 is equals to B2 B3. Next, draw a parallel line to B3C through B2. Draw a parallel line B to B3C through B2. It intersects, this is the parallel line, it intersects C dash. It intersects BC at C dash. Again, draw a parallel line to AC through C dash. It intersects AB at A dash. AB at A dash. Therefore, triangle A dash B C dash is the required similar triangle. So this is the construction of this problem. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.